If you live in an area where the weather is warm and moist, you should be aware of the importance of gutter cleaning. If you fail to clean it, you may find that it's a breeding ground for various pests. In addition, the debris can also decompose into organic matter. This organic matter can support the growth of various plants and flowers. Consequently, the debris can also harbor deadly diseases. A clogged pipe will eventually cause serious damage to your home. Regardless of its size, a clogged can lead to expensive repairs in the future. It should be cleaned twice a year, spring and fall. In Boise, Idaho, you can call Boise Gutters and Rain Contractors to have it cleaned by a professional. We have the necessary experience and equipment to provide you with cleaning and other services at a fair price. Professionals can inspect the gutters from a lower level. They can use a high-reaching inspection system such as 4 stories. This gives them a clear view of your gutter from the operator's monitor. The result of cleaning that's free of debris. If you can't climb ladders, hire professionals to do the job for you.